Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to make a final revision on second term. Okay, let's see. Choose the correct answer. 500 plus 30 plus 2, it will be 532 divided 4. The quotient of 450 divided 9, we will take 45 divided 9 equal 5 and put 0, so the answer will be 50. The dividend of 36 divided 4, we know that the first number is dividend, the second is the divisor, and the third is quotient. So this number is dividend, so 36 is dividend. 600 divided 6 plus 42 divided 6, it means 642 divided 6. Here, 600 divided 3 equals 200, and 90 divided 3 equals 30, so the answer will be 230. Here, we're looking for the divisor. So 2 times which number equal 4? It will be 2 times 2 equal 4. So the answer is 2. 5,600 divided 8, we will take 56. 56 divided 8 equals 7, and put the 2 zeros, so the answer 700. Here, we will divide 55 divided 2. Here, we want to divide 4 divided 2 equal, yes, 2, so the missing number is 2. 128 times 4, let's multiply 128 times 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. 2 and carry up 3. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. 1 and carry up 1. 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the answer 512. 566 divided 5. Okay, let's divide 566 divided 5. Write table 5 as first. Then 5 divided 5. Which number times 5 equals 5? We know that it will be 1. And the answer will be 5. And replace the other numbers with zeros. So it will be, so we will subtract 6 minus 0 equals 6. 6 minus 0 equals 6. And 5 minus 5 equals 0. Here, 6 divided 5. The closest number is 5, so we will put 1 and the number will be 5, and we will replace 6 with 0. It will be 50. Okay, let's subtract 6 minus 0 equals 6. 6 minus 5 equals 1. The closest number to 16 will be 15, so the answer will be 3, and minus, it will be 1, so the answer will be 113, and remainder 1. The estimation of 4,105. Estimation of 4,105 is closest to 4,000, so it will be 4,000 divided 4 equal 1,000. Which of the following equal 10? Let's check. 12 divided 6 equal 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 4 equal 10. So this is the right answer, but let's check. 5 plus 18 equal 23. 3 divided 3 equal 1. 1 times 5 equal 5. 3 times 3, 9. 9 plus 2 equal 11. So the right answer is the first one. Which sign of the following make the problem right? Okay, let's divide first. 12 divided 6 equal 2. So we're looking for number 4 and 2 equal 6. So it will be plus 36 minus 18 divided 3. 36 minus 6, yes, equal 30. B times 4 plus 2 equal 18. We're looking for number which multiplied by 4 give us 16. Because 16 plus 2 equal 18, so it will be 4. The second step when solving the problem, we know that the first step multiply 5 times 2 equal be 10. Second step subtract 10 from 20. Which one of the following equations is correct? If we check, we can find 2 times 6 equals 12, 12 plus 5 equals 17, 3 times 10 equals 30, plus 2, 32, 25 divided 5 equals 5, plus 10 equals 15, 30 divided 6 equals 5, 5 plus 1 equals 6, so this is the right. 18 divided 18 plus 5, it means 1 plus 5 equals 6. Here, 314 plus 38 equals 314 plus 40 minus 1. Okay, 40 minus which number equals 38? 40 minus 2. So the right answer is 2. Muhammad bought 25 markers. 7 of them were green and 15 of them were red. The rest were black. So we must find the number of black markers. Let's subtract the 25 minus 7 plus 15 plus the sum of the two markers, the other two colors. 7 plus 15 equals 22. It will be 25 minus 22 equals 3. Which fraction expresses the black markers? Yes, 3 over 25. 3 over 25. Okay. Okay. The mixed number which represent the opposite model. Okay, here we have a whole number with shaded or colored with yellow. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and not color, the shading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it will be 3 and 5 eighths. The fraction which represents the colored part in the following model. Okay, looks like half. Soha rode her bike for 1/5 of kilometer on Monday and 2/5 kilometer on Tuesday. How many kilometers did she ride altogether? Will be 1/5 plus 2/5 equals 3/5. Hannah has 3/4 pound and her brother has half pound. What's the difference between what they have? Okay, we will subtract 3/4 minus half. Half here means 2/4. Do you remember? And we'll have here, and we'll have equal 2/4. So we will cross 2 shading. So the remainder will be 1/4. Okay, I said needs 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper. How much more black pepper is than red pepper in this recipe? Okay, we will subtract 3/4. Okay, minus 1/4 will be 2/4 اللي هي equal, yes, half. 12 minus 3/4. We know that in subtraction, we can subtract if we have whole number. We must convert the whole number into fraction. How? Okay, let's cross 12 and decrease it by 1. It will be 11. And we will take the denominator and put it up and down. Okay, 4 over 4. Why? Because 4 over 4 equal 1. 1 plus 11 equal 12. So we change the looks. We change the face, not to change the number. Okay, so it will be 11 and 4/4. Okay, if we have in subtraction, if we have whole number minus fraction, we must cross the whole number and replace it with fraction. So we will decrease it by 1, will be 11, and we will take the denominator ups and down. So it will be 4 over 4. 11 and 4 over 4. 4 over 4. 4 minus 3 equal 1, and 4 as it is. So it will be 4. And 11 minus 0 equal 11. So the right answer is 11 and quarter. 2 and 3 over 10 plus 1 and 45 over 100. We must have the same denominator. So we will put 0 ups and down. It will be 100. It will be 30. Okay, 30 plus 45 equals 75 over 100, and 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the right answer 3 and 75 over 100. 5 and 12 over 100 minus 3 and 4 over 10. So are going to add 0 up and 0 down. So it will be 12 minus 40. Does it go? No, it doesn't go. So we are going to put 1 from 5. 5 will be 4, and the one we take equal 100. So add 100 plus 12, it will be 112. 112 minus 40 equals 72. And 4 minus 3 equal 1. 5 and 2 over 5 minus 3 and 4 over 5. 2 minus 4 doesn't go, so we are going to pour 1 from 5. It will be 4. And this 2 will be 7 because we will add 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 7 minus 4 equals 3 fifths. And 4 minus 3 equals 1. So the right answer 1 and 3 fifths. The improper fraction of the mixed number, we know that. To convert into improper, we will multiply 1 times 9, then add 4. 1 times 9 equals 9 plus 4 equals 13, and the denominator as it is, so it will be 13 over 9. The result of half times 8, it means 8 over 2 or 8 divided 2 equals 4. 3 minus 1 and 2 over 7. As we said before, if we have minus, we must convert the whole number into fraction. So it will be, we will cross 3 and decrease it by 1. It will be 2 and 7 over 7. And let's subtract. 7 minus 2 equals 5 sevenths. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So the right answer, 1 and 5 sevenths. 6 over 7 equal which number over 35? 7 times 5 equals 35. So we must multiply the numerator by the same number. 6 times 5 equals 30. So the right answer is 30. The value of digit 3 in the number 2.34 will be 0.3. We know that here 3 tenths, so we will write the value 0.3. Which is greater, 2.35 or 2.53? You know that 53. Okay, 3.46 equal how many hundreds? It will be, here we have 2 decimal places, so it will be 346 hundredths. 10.03 as improper fraction. Okay, we will write the whole number over 100. Okay, it will be 1003 over 100. This form is represented by the number. Yes, we have 234 hundredths. It will be 2.34. The unit form of the number 7.49, we know that the unit form means we will write the place values. So 7 ones and 4 tenths and 9 hundredths. 8.05 is greater than which one? Greater than 9? No. 8.50? No, this is 5 and this is 50, so it's not right. 8.06? No. 8.01 is the right answer. The place value of the digit 5 in the number, yes, it's 100. The place value of the digit 6 here is ones. 12 hundredths equal, yes, 12 over 100, it means 0.12. 40 tens, it means 40 over 10, it means 4. 40 over 10, it means 4.0. Okay, because we put decimal point after one digit, it was 0 by a 4.0. Which one is greater? 4. 2 and 3 over 10 plus 0.15. 0.15 means 15 over 100, and we will put 0 as 10, 0 as ones, and 0 as ones here, so it will be 30 over 100, and let's add. 30 plus 15 equals 45, will be 2 and 45 hundredths. The standard form of the number 2 plus 0.7 plus 0.09, it will be, we must write it in digits, it will be 2.79. 5 equal what over 100? It will be 500. The word form of the number 7.668 is, we know that, 7 and 68 hundredths. 3.87 plus or minus or multiply, it will be minus 5.38, it will be 5 plus 0.3 plus 0.08. 12 over hundreds, okay, we will add 0 and 0, so it will be 52 over hundreds. 3,500 gram equal how many kilograms? We will divide by 1,000. So cross the two zeros. Yes, first, ones and tens. It will be 35 over 10. Will be 3.5 or 3 and 5 over 10 or 3 and half. 5 is half of 10, so it will be 3 and half. 12,000 milliliter equal how many liters? Divided 1,000, it will be 12, because we will cross the three zeros. Okay, the suitable graph to represent the data of two children. When we express about the two children, okay, it means we are going to draw the double bar graph. 3 equal 30. 10, 2.56 equal to 156 over 100. 2 and 3 over 100 in decimal form, it means 2.03. 40 over 100, it means 4 over 10. Okay, 27 over 45 equal which number over 5? 45 become 5, so it will be divided 9. So let's divide the first number or the numerator by 9. 27 divided 9 equals 3. 3 and 2 fifths. 3 times 5, 15, plus 2 equals 17 over 5 is improper fraction. 7 equals 70 over 10, 700 over 100. The number 428 over 100 is mixed number. Okay, it will be 4 and 28 over 100 or 4.28. 6 times 100, it will be 6 over 100. It means 0.06. 9 become 90. So it will be times 10. So the denominator times 10, 10 times 10 equal 100. 3 over 5 times 10, it means 30 over 5. 30 over 5 equals 6. 36 over 24. 24 become 4, so we will divide by 6. 36 divided 6 equals 6. Okay, 6 becomes 3, so it will be divided 2. And 4 divided 2 equals 2. 3 over 2, if I want to convert it into mixed number, it will be, yes, 1 and half. 16 over 24 in simplest form, we are going to look for the number which contains 16 and 24 as multiples of it. Number 8, so you'll divide by 8, divided 8, it will be 2 over 3. 72 over 90 in the simplest form is, okay, let's divide by 9. Divided 9, it will be 8 over 10. Divided by 2, it will be 4 over 5. The number 7.28 in words is 7 and 28 hundredths. The number 5, 1, 6 tenths and 300 in the standard form will be 5.63. The expanded form of the number 4.23, it will be 4 plus 0.2 plus 0.03. The number 12.94 in the mixed form, it will be 12 and 49 over 100. The number 9.37 in the unit form, it means 9 ones, 3 tenths, and 7 hundredths. The value of digit 2 is 0.2. 700 times 50. Okay, here we have 3 zeros, and here we have 3 zeros, so 7 times 5 equals 35. 234 divided 3, let's use the area model. Okay, 230 and 4. Why we start with 230? Because 2 can't divide by 3 because 2 is smaller than 3, so we will take 23. There will be 230 and 4. 230 divided 3, we don't have any number in table 3 give us 230 or 21 or 23, so we are going to decrease the number to number closest in table 3, so it will be 210. So decrease the 20 and add it to 4, it will be 24. 210, it will be, which number times 3 equal 210? It will be 70. Which number times 3 equal 24? It will be 8. So 70 plus 8 equals 78. 5 times 4 equals 20, minus 2 times 8 equals 16. 20 minus 16 equals 4. 247 times 5, let's use the area model. 240 and 7 times 5, 205, 1000, 40 times 5, 200, 7 times 5, 35, it will be 1235. 1 over 100 times 160, it will be 160 over 100, cross the first zero, it will be 16 over 10, it will be 1.6. Write the missing number. Let's know, okay, here count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will use the decimal. Will be 0, will be 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3, 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6, 0 0.7, 0 0.8, 0 0.9, and 1. The shaded parts in the model, okay, represent the number. Yes, here we have 1, 2, it will be 2 and 3, 6, it will be 2.5, because 3 is half of 6. 10,342 gram equal how many kilogram? Equal 10 kilogram and 342 gram. Okay, 3.25 plus 4 and 3 tenths. Okay, in decimal form, let's convert this. Will be 4.3, and here we have 2 decimal place, and here we have 1 decimal place, so it will be 0. Will be 0 plus 5 equal 5, 3 plus 2 equal 5, and 4 plus 3, and put the decimal point, 4 plus 3 equals 7, so the answer will be 7.55. Answer, arrange in ascending order. 54 over 100 and 5 tenths and 300 and 0.45, 0.5 and 1. Ascending order, we must convert it, all of them into decimal or into fraction. The closest one here is into decimal. Okay, let's convert it. It will be 0.54. Here it will be 0.53, and here as it is, as it is, as it is. Okay, so we are going to make them equal decimal places. Here we have two decimal places, one decimal place, so we are going to put 0. Okay, ascending from the smallest to the biggest. Which one is the smallest here? 0.45, then 0.50, then 0.53, then 0.54, and the greatest one is 1, so it's number 5. Arrange in descending order. 1.3 and here 0.40. We must make them equal decimal places, so we are going to put here 0, and we will put here 0 and start in a range. Okay, descending means from the biggest to smallest. From the biggest whole here is 1, so let's see which one is the biggest. 1.50, number 1, and this is number 2, and this is number 3, and this is number 4, and this is number 5. Mona bought a pizza and divided into 6 equal parts. If she ate 1 over 3 of it and divided the rest parts equally among her 2 sons, how many parts did each son have? Okay, 1 ate 1 over 3 times 6. So it will be 6 divided 3 equal 2. Mona ate 2 parts. And the rest, it will be the share of sons, all sons, 6 minus 2 equal 4. And the share of each son, it will be how many sons we have? We have 2. So we are going to divide 4 parts divided 2 equal 2. Soha drank 4 liters of soft drink, and her sister drank 35 liters of soft drink. Who drank more? Who drank more? Okay, let's see. 4 over 10 or 35 over 100. We must make them equal. Denominator will be, we will put 0 up and 0 down. So, which one is greater? 40 over 35? No, 40. So, Soha is greater. And what is the difference? Okay, 4 over 10 minus 35 over 100. We will put 0 up and 0 down and make minus 40 minus 35 equal 5 over 100. Maggot saved 15.3 pounds in a week, then saved 18.5 pounds in the next week. How much money did he save in 2 weeks? Okay, so we are going to add. It will be 15.3 plus 18.5, 5 plus 3, 8, and put decimal point. 8 plus 5, 13, 3 and carry up 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, will be 33.8 pounds. Which week did he save more? Which week? Okay, second week, 18.5. Sarah has 4 and 3/5 meter of clothes. She used 2 and 4 over 5 meters to make a dress. How many meters are left with Sarah? Okay, 2 and 4 and 3 over 5 minus 2 and 4 over 5. 3 minus 4 doesn't go, so we are going to pour 1. It will be 3 and it will be 8. 8 minus 4 equal 4 and 3 minus 2 equal 1. So the answer 1 and 4/5. Amgad bought 7 bars of chocolate with the same size. Each bar was divided into 10 equal parts. Amgad has 7 bars and divides the 7 bar into 10 parts. So how many parts we have? We have 7 times 10. If the number of whole parts equals 7 times 10 equals 70 parts. And he gave his friend 25 parts. So the fraction which represents the share of his friend will be 25 over the total number of whole parts equals 70. And he wants to make it in simplest form. These two numbers are multiples of table 5, so it will be divided 5 divided 5, it will be 5 over 14. Okay, let's revise the graph. The following data show the marks of some students in math exam. Observe the table and represent the data using the line plot chart. Okay, to draw the line plot chart, let's draw the straight line and divide it according to the data we have. The smallest number we have 2, and we have 2.5, and we have 3, and we have 3.5, we have 4 and 4.5, and we have 5. So let's write each line plot equal 1 student, and the title is marked in math exam. Let's write the number 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. Okay, 2. How many 2 we have here? 2, 2, we have 1. So we will make one line plot. Okay, 2.5. How many 2.5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are going to draw 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3. How many 3 we have? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 3.5. How many 3.5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to draw 8 line plots. 4. How many 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to draw 5. Okay, how many 4.5? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to draw 4. How many 5? We have 1 5. So this is the answer. Okay, from the line plot, let's answer the number of students who spent £4.5. Okay, each line plot here equal to students. So if I want to calculate the number of students which spend the 4.5, will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So the number equal 10. The greatest frequency of the spent money, which one greatest? 4.5. Okay, the least frequency, which one? 3.5. Okay, use the opposite graph. This is the double bar. What is the name of this type of graph? Yes, double bar graph. Okay, who got the highest mark in Arabic? مين اللي جاب highest mark in Arabic؟ Arabic with black. Yes, Noah. Who got the lowest mark in math? The lowest mark in math was Sarah. What is the sum of the marks which Noah got in the two subjects? Noah got 4.5 in Arabic and 5 in math, so it will be 9.5. Okay, here we have table to draw the double bars. Okay, the following table shows the length of two plants during 4 days. Represent these data by a suitable way and answer the following question. Plant 1 in Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so on. Okay, let's draw the double bar. Okay, we will draw the two lines. Here we have day and here we have length. Let's write here Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Here we have one quarter في الأول, 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 1. 4 quarters, we know that إن هي equal 1. 1.25, 1.25, 1.75, and 2, 2.25, 2.25, and so on. Okay, let's draw the bar. First bar to the right. Saturday, 1.25, and planet 2 was 1. Okay, Sunday, planet 1 was 1.75, and planet 2, 1.25. Monday, both of them was 2. Tuesday, 2 2/4, and the other one 2 1/4. Okay, we must write that. The orange one is plant 1, the green one is plant 2. In which day were the two plants equal in length? Monday. What is the sum of length of the two plants on Sunday? Okay, we have 1 3/4 and 1 and 2. On Sunday we have uh, 1 and 3/4 and 2 over, this is, okay, sorry, match 3.47. Okay, it will be 3 plus 0.4 plus 0.07. 2 fifths plus 3 fifths, it will be 5 fifths, will be 1. 2 and 13 over 100 plus 4 over 10, it will be 40 over 100. So it will be 2 and 53 over 100, layer 2.53. 1 in 500 minus 2 tenths, it will be 20 over 100. It will be, yes, borrow 1, it will be 105 minus 20, it will be 85 over 100. So this is the right answer. 8 divided 2 equal 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 minus 5 equal 11. The expanded form of the number 3.21. Yes, 3 plus 0.2 plus 0.01. The place value of digit 8 is 10. The decimal form of 3 and 9 over 100, 3.09. 1 and 4 over 10 plus 2.05, it will be 1.4, it will be 40 over 100, it will be, yes, 3 and 45 over 100. Thank you.